Turkey and dumplings. This recipe for turkey and dumplings is based off of my mother's recipe for chicken and dumplings. You will need 2 tablespoons of butter, a handful of diced onion, celery, and carrots if you have it. I didn't have any. Chicken broth, a can of condensed cream of chicken soup. I like chicken with herbs, leftover diced or shredded roast turkey, and 2 cups of Bisquick. The first step is to melt the butter in a large soup pot over medium heat. Once the butter is melted, add your vegetables and saute them until tender and translucent. Next, stir in the cream of chicken soup and then 5 1/3 cups of the chicken or turkey broth. The mixture is going to look a little lumpy. That's okay. The lumps will cook out as the mixture simmers. And you could make this with regular cream of chicken soup, or you could use cream of mushroom soup or even cream of celery soup and leave out the diced celery. But I like it with cream of chicken. It gives that an extra layer of flavor. Bring the mixture to a boil, and then once you have a good boil going, add the shredded or diced leftover roast turkey. Stir together the remaining 2/3 cup of broth with the Bisquick to make a soft, sticky dough, and then using a large spoon, drop the dough by the spoonful into the simmering broth. You don't want to crowd the dumplings, but you don't need to worry about them being completely separate either. Once you've added all of the dumpling dough, let the mixture return to a simmer and cook it uncovered for about 10 minutes, adjusting the heat as necessary. You want the broth to maintain a simmer, but you don't want it to boil vigorously. After 10 minutes, cover the dumplings and cook them for 10 minutes more. Adjusting the heat as needed. And there you have it. Big, pillowy, puffy, soft dumplings. I like to serve this with a sprinkle of fresh herbs such as thyme, parsley. You could use sage. Anything that goes well with poultry will go well with these turkey and dumplings. I hope you enjoyed this video. For more videos and recipes, please visit us at arkansasonline.com/cooking.